So here we have my 4 fresh from the line Javelins. These are factory fresh. These are the ones I was introducing, just rolled out. At least one's going to qualify. One is going to qualify as a brand new version. Not a sub-variant, as me and NASA were discussing back there, and that's going to be the one that's incomplete here. This one built October 3rd. It's built the exact same way, but there's some weight taken out of it. So, actually, that's the reason why it's not been flown yet and untaped, because the weight is going to be added after the fact for that one. We've got the others here. This one built next day. This one has some... there's more internal structure to this. There's nothing inside the... There's some cutouts, just like the other one is. I borrowed that. But now there's improved structure on the inside. The leading part of the anhedral here, and the fore part of the wing, as well as the fore part of the fuselage. There's actually... the flat portion of the paper plate is tucked in. Really nice and solid. Gives this one some weight. Also is pretty streamlined. It's not so much right now because this one has flown. I could get it to be a little bit tweaked here so you can understand, like, because this one's really got every line, every angle on it is really sharp. This one did fly pretty good the other day when it was test flown. This one also built October 3rd. This one was part of the new design philosophy that another one had gotten, whereas we're taking some cardboard strips and installing it in the center. There's also, again, weight cuts. That's the common hold they all have. This one has weight cuts in the side of it, which makes it about the same as the others. But the weight trims so that it can have the cardboard in the middle there, and then it has a reinforced sticker. Instead of simple tape holding it, is all over the fore portion of the aircraft. Another one duplicates that here, one of the older ones. This one did not have the cutouts. This is actually a V4, but it uses the same principle. This one flew also as well, but this one's suffering from tape issues in the rear due to that reinforcing adhesive on the top foremost portion of the wing, which is indicated by all the white, since it was made out of pink paper. That did break up the rear symmetry of the aircraft, as you can see there. Doesn't really affect Javelin too much, but just enough, whereas this could be considered a concern. It did fly, not as good as it could have. I'll keep you posted on these new versions, especially when this one flies, because this is the one that's actually going to be leading us a little bit further, I think. That one there, it's good. It's good. Not as good as the other. Not as good as probably the one with the reinforcement on the inside, and better than this one. But this is just something that needs to be improved.